Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to Alex TV, where flavor meets soul. My name is Annie B, and you read the caption. In today's video, we are making Caribbean coleslaw with Brussels sprouts. We got some Scotch bonnet, we got scallions, we got allspice. Ain't nothing to it but to get into it. This is going to be a delicious, creamy coleslaw, spiced up a little different from your regular, normal American-style coleslaw. All right, so here I am, cleaning my Brussels sprouts. You want to clean these thoroughly. Cut off the ends, take off the first few leaves. Then we're going to slice them up and then rinse them off thoroughly. All right, so that's what you see me doing here. Slice them up nice and thin. This helps the dressing coat the Brussels sprouts nicely. All right. How's everybody doing? I hope you all are doing well. Have some really awesome recipes coming up. Again, congratulations to all of the giveaway winners. All right, so congratulations to Jadia, Chantel Jane, and Charlotte Good. All right, and I have not been seeing Francine around. Francine, if you're still watching, I hope that you are doing well. Okay, all right, so here I am making the dressing now for the coleslaw. I'm adding in some fresh lime juice. You can also use bottled lime juice. I do not discriminate. All right, so I'm using some fresh lime juice. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in some mayo, some mustard. Give that a good mix with some ground allspice. I love allspice. Also adding in some ground ginger. So you can see the flavors that we're going with here. It's going to have a nice kick from the spices being used. Salt, black pepper, of course. Give that a good mix. And then you're going to go ahead and add in your sliced Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts. It has such a nice, crisp, fresh taste to it. I absolutely love Brussels sprouts. And then here I'm adding some red onion and carrot. Shredded carrots. Just building such nice flavor, okay? Adding in some red bell pepper, some scallion and cilantro. Then we have some hot Scotch bonnet pepper and jalapenos. If you don't like it spicy, just omit the hot pepper. And then we're adding in some dried thyme. And at some point in this video, I do add a little sugar because I've learned to balance out zest and saltiness with a little bit of sugar. Just helps to offset it, which also balances out the flavor, makes the flavor more well-rounded, okay? And then with the nice kick from the ginger, then we have the earthiness from the allspice, the zest from the limes. This was well-rounded, creamy from the mayo. Just every single spice, every single ingredient used played such an important role in making an absolutely delicious coleslaw. It's the best coleslaw I've ever made. And might I say the best coleslaw I've ever had. I didn't like coleslaw back in the day. So more recently, I've grown to appreciate coleslaw. I thought it was bland back in the day. But anyway, let me know if you guys will order this at a restaurant. Let me know if you would try this recipe. The recipe will be down in the description box below. I thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. God bless and peace.